Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be giving you a tour of our master bedroom and our mudroom. Our mudroom is in a state of chaos, but with the hard work of my family, it's slowly coming together. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Alright, so we're here at the door. So right here we have this sign that I got from my friend Taylor. It just says Ohio is where our story begins. And then we have my closet, and I will open it for you guys. It's not the prettiest thing, but she functions. And then we have this little desk area. This won't stay in here. Eventually it'll get moved to the laundry mudroom area, but this is just a little desk office area. And then we have our bed. Also the desk was from Facebook Marketplace, and I think my mom and dad gave me that chair. And yeah, and then this headboard I got off Facebook Marketplace, and it is super heavy. It was like this cherry color, and I painted it white. The bedding is from Amazon. And then I need to get a bed skirt. This is just a, what am I trying to say? A flat sheet. But I need to find a bed skirt. I need to measure because we don't have a box spring. It's just like an elevated box spring thing. So that way we can, you know, optimize space and store stuff under there. So that's the bed. And then across from the bed, we have our dresser. This was originally in our living room as our TV stand. I will try and insert a picture of what it used to look like. And then I painted it. And once I got the buffet for the TV stand, we moved this in here. I want to eventually add legs, like lift it, so it's like kind of raised a little bit. But yeah, got that. Tyler's Xbox, our TV. This I want to hang, this big picture, but I haven't decided yet where. And then there's just a couple pictures, Tyler and I, and then that's from our wedding, like the sands and things like that. I have to remove this painter's tape, I just haven't. Oh, also the doors are gonna get painted. Eventually, they're gonna be like a dark gray, but for now, that's what they look like. And then we have our little fireplace and some decor up here. The fireplace does work. I don't think I plugged it in. I will probably move it out to the living area once Christmas rolls around, because I have these like the thumbtacks in here for stockings. And then we just have a spring wreath up here with an old window. I don't like the way that this looks, but you know, it is what it is. And then we have Grandma Lois's urn and a picture of her with her angel. Yeah. Oh, also, this is Tyler's closet. Again, not super organized, but it does the job. And then over here, this is Tyler's side. He just has some paperwork and then some shoes. And then there's just a picture of us at the Grand Hotel in Mackinac. And then pens, baby monitor. This is mostly for me. I use it when I go to take a shower. I'll bring it into the bathroom. I've got the fan, and then this is a picture that a friend of ours, Wendy, drew for us for a wedding gift. And then this is our bathroom. It's very outdated. Definitely needs a lot of work, but you know. Also, the laundry is in here. We are gonna change that. There's me. And then toilet. Just got this little shelf above it. That's where we store the toilet paper. This will eventually be remodeled whenever we have time, but yeah, it does the job. We have our shower. There's a mirror on the back of the door. And then over here, this is usually where we keep like dirty towels. But this is like the linen closet, and not very organized, but she gets the job done. So we've got that. Do a little overview from over here. Like I said, she's very outdated. There's a lot we want to change in here, but that takes time. And yeah, that's the bathroom. Do an overview from the bathroom. I feel like parents, like the master bedroom's always the last to get remodeled, just because everything else you want everything else to look nice, and then you will come last. But eventually we'll get her where we want her to be, but this is our master bedroom. So this is from the living room's point of view. This is one of the work zone areas. And here we have our hot water heater. I want to try and take this like door off. Like, these serve no purpose. Like, there's no air vents or anything in there. I guess they're just there for decor. But I hate them, so I want to take those off and just put a whole new door there. We have a new light to put up in here. And my mom and dad and my husband have been working on the floors. So the washer and dryer are currently inside, like on the other side of this wall. They're supposed to be here. The previous owners were elderly, so we think they moved them in for convenience because of their age, which is understandable. It is kind of nice to have them in there, but I'd rather have them out here. So they will go out here. We have to do some trim work on the edges, and then on this wall, I did not do a good job of like making sure that this looks good. Like, you can tell where the seams are. I didn't do a good job. I want to put either shiplap, if I can figure out how to do it, with mobile home walls. If you guys have any tips or tricks or videos that you've watched, let me know. But if I can't do that, I'll probably do a wallpaper. But yeah, I just got this sign from Hobby Lobby on their spring summer clearance, and I just hung it up there. I don't think that it'll stay there the whole time, but I did get it hung up. Then we have the electrical box here. I want to hang like a chalkboard to go over it, that would be like easily removed to get to it, just so like we could write stuff on it and it's not just this ugly door sitting here. Then we have the doorway to the mudroom. But this is gonna be the laundry room, and I'm gonna put the laundry, like the washer and dryer here, and then we'll have a like wood countertop, and then I want to put a cabinet over here, and then maybe like open shelving on this side. I might do closed shelving though, just because I could store like more detergent and things like that, but I haven't decided. Anyway, through here we have the add-on. We did not do this add-on. I don't know which owner did, but they did. And I'll try and insert a picture of what this space used to look like to kind of give you a better idea. But we're gonna, my father and I, my stepdad and I are gonna extend this wall so that we can like add a closet door here to block the hot water or the water softener. And then this will be the new office area. So the desk that was in the master bedroom will come in here, and it will just be an office space. We're gonna add like a shiplap paneling style in here for like the walls. And then on the ceilings, we are gonna do beadboard all the way across because we have this going on, and then we've got popcorn ceilings, and I really don't like that. So we're gonna add beadboard to the ceiling, and then, let's see. Oh, that's my husband's business, so anyway. But this is the back door. This is the door almost everybody uses to get in here. So this is gonna be like laundry room, office, mudroom. So it's like a 3-in-1 type deal. So this was currently what we were using to like store our shoes in there, and then like safety vests and random junk. And then we kind of throw our keys there. But I hung that up there to hold our keys and like a safety light. And over here, I want to add that same paneling on this side, and then maybe do coat hooks. I don't know yet, because in here, this used to be another closet, but there used to be like sliding doors. I'll try and insert a picture again to like kind of give you guys a better idea of what it used to look like. And we're gonna, instead of doing like a closet, we're gonna do a mud room closet. So my dad just did the tile like a couple hours ago, and eventually we'll have like a bench going across, and then I'll have baskets down here for like our shoes and whatnot, and then I'll have paneling on the back, but I'll have 2x4s behind it so that I can add hooks. And I'll add like hooks to about this level so we can hang our coats. And then on the top, we'll have more storage and spaces for baskets. So we live in Michigan, socks, gloves, things like that. But that's what that area is gonna be. Because before, we didn't have a space for our coats. So we would just kind of pile everything up on top of this or on the floor. So, you know, it was real classy, looked real good. But this, I feel like, will really optimize our space. But yeah, and so this is the back door, and this is the mudroom. I feel like also this will just, because this was such a dead area, I felt like we would always just throw junk in here. Like there was so much junk in this closet. There was so much random junk in this closet because we're like, oh, it's hidden, so let's just pile high. No, I don't want that. I want to optimize as much space as I can. And I feel like if we ever decided to like sell or move or anything like that, this would be a really good selling point, you know? You've got a mudroom, and if you're working from home, because nowadays a lot of people work from home, you have a space for an office, and then your laundry room. Like, it's not in your bathroom. It doesn't look like that. It's not ugly. But, yep. It's coming together. Oh, we also have a light. We'll change this light out. But this is our current home project. Thank you to my mom and dad for coming and doing the tile. And I think my dad's gonna help me build a wall here. He'll probably help me do most of this. My dad's a handyman. My husband is not at all. But yeah, it's looking so good, and I cannot wait for it to all be done. Like when I saw the grout go in, I was like, oh my gosh, we're so close. It's gonna look so good. But I'm super excited. I'll be happy when the laundry room's in here. The last owners had like a tall deep freezer, like a stand-up deep freezer, and then like open shelving, like the garage style ones in here. I don't even remember what they had on it. I don't think it was food. I think it was just random stuff. So I'll try and insert pictures. I kind of want to save some of the pictures for when we do, when I do the full home tour. That will be here in the next couple of videos. I will basically just walk you through our home, the whole house, and insert pictures of what it looked like when we purchased it and when we moved in, and how we're slowly changing it to become our little home. But there's no decor in here to share. I got this off Facebook Marketplace. This is Dollar Tree. It needs to be dusted. I got that, I think, on the side of the road. I don't remember, but it's really heavy, and yeah, anyway. And then that is a Dollar Tree sign as well. It's the Be Our Guest with our Wi-Fi password on it. But I'm gonna stop rambling. This is our laundry and bedroom area.